need to be honest about what your why is. And if you can think ahead to 5 years down the road, where do you want your business to be? And I can tell you for me, and this was a really, it's one of those things that in hindsight, like it didn't seem like a big pivotal moment, but it really was. I knew that I wanted to get into more speaking and thought leadership and writing and just being in the organizing space, but less of the hands-on. And I knew that that was what I wanted in my future. I knew I was good at hands-on, and I knew that there still is a part of me that loves that one-on-one client work. But my 5 year plan, this was going back a few years, was I would like to have my business pivoted over to a different area. So I was fortunate enough that I could afford to take that leap of faith because like a lot of things, it's sometimes it's scary, it's risky.